So you are seeing a lot of J1 program sponsors, but you're not sure if they're legit. So you want to make sure that the J1 program sponsor you're going with is legit. In this video, I will show you how to check if the J1 sponsor you are interested in is legit, as well as give you some more explanation as to why you may not see a J1 program sponsor on the website. Okay, we're going to go in depth with that. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned to the end of this video. Hey guys, and thanks for joining this platform. My name is Dr. Britton, and I share on here how you can get a teaching job in the United States. If you are interested in learning about getting a teaching job, then you need to subscribe to this channel. Also, stay tuned to the end where I'll share with you how I can provide you with one-on-one guidance on how to become a teacher in the United States. Those who are joining for the first time, welcome. And for my returning viewers, welcome also. If you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and encourage me by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribing. Let's get straight into today's video. So guys, today we're going to be talking about the platform you can go to check to see a list of J1 sponsors. This video is not only for teachers because the website I'm going to be sharing with you have all the approved J1 sponsors, and it's not just for teachers. We're going to go in depth with them step by step, and we're going to go on the website. The website I'm talking about is Bridge USA. So I'm going to share my screen and talk about the approved J1 sponsors through Bridge USA. Here I have the Bridge USA website. You want to type in https://j1visa.state.gov. This is their website, Bridge USA, connecting global leaders and creating lasting impact. Through Bridge USA, they have program sponsors, and you can read up some more about Bridge USA if you're interested in learning more about them. So annually, they attract around 300,000 individuals to the United States from 200 countries and territories to study in the US high schools. So if you are interested, some people do reach out and ask me, can high school students get a J1 visa? The answer is yes. So Bridge USA, you can check that out to learn more. Well, let's look at the current sponsors through Bridge USA. I hit program sponsors and then current sponsors, and then we're going to go here, designated sponsor, list by program. So there are many different programs that is under Bridge USA. Now, the different programs, we have au pairs, those who are interested in au pair. There's also alien physician. There's camp counselors. There's college and university. There's government visitor, intern program, international visitor, professor, research scholars, secondary school students that are the high school students, short-term scholars, specialists, summer work travel, and teachers. So what you can learn from this video as well is that Bridge USA, or should I say is that J1 visas is not only for teachers, but a number of different areas. So if you are interested in the teaching programs, then you'll hit teacher, and then all the programs that are J1 approved by Bridge USA, you will find them here. You notice you see Florida Department of Education, Brookline High School, Kentucky Department of Education, Amity Institute, Alliance Abroad, Cultural Vistas, and I'm not going to go through all of them. We're going to go through a few of them, and you can check out some more. Delaware Department of Education, Louisiana Department of Education, French American School, Institute of International Education, and I'm just going through the different pages. I saw there are also Foreign Academic Exchanges, FACES. Then we have International Teacher Exchange Services, that's ITES. There's also Center for International Education, and you can go through to find the different J1 teacher approved programs here on this website. You'll see their educational services, Chicago Public Schools, Minnesota Department of Education, Global Teaching Partners, and I guess you get the gist. If you're not interested in a teaching position, but you want to get a J1 visa sponsorship for your area, it might be you are interested in au pair, then you hit au pair and you can see the different companies that are J1 approved to sponsor J1 visa. We have Au Pair Cared Inc. We have Cultural Homestay International. We have Cultural Care. We have Expert Group International, and these are for au pairs. You notice the list for au pairs not as lengthy as teachers. You have Greater Au Pair LLC as well as Agent Au Pair Inc. You can check those out. Again, as I say, there are other areas and you can go in and check those areas out to learn more about the area you are interested in. Another area we can look at is the secondary school student. I know a lot of secondary students may be interested in studying in the United States, so you can check this out as well. So here are the companies that cater to secondary school students. It's the American Home Life International, Brookline High School. We have ASSE International. We have Aspect Foundation. Notice the numbers for this is also a lot. It looks similar to teaching because a lot of programs are sponsoring high school students for J1 visa. We have Children Around the World. We have Cultural Homestay International. We have Education, Travel, and Culture. And I'm just moving through the different pages. We have United States Department of State. We have Face the World Foundation. We have FLAG. We have Global Insights. I'm going to skip to page 5 and see if we can find some more. So if coming to the United States on a J visa as a student is something you're interested in, you can check out this website to learn more. We have Student American International and United Studies Inc., i.e. International Experience and Nonprofit Organization. So as I say, the J1 visa is not only for teachers. I'm sure many of you are aware of this. But for those who are not aware, you can check this site out. So we have specialist area. You might be wondering what type of specialists. You can go and check out these websites. For example, Oregon State University specialist areas. Maybe you go on their website and see what specialist area they cater to for J1 visa. Some of the universities, it might be for you to be visitor teachers or to teach or to do research in their universities, but you can check those out. So Bridge USA, they do have a list of approved J1 sponsors. And as I mentioned before, these are the list. Au pair, camp counselor, professor, I'm just skipping through them. Trainees also, we missed that earlier. So you can check out Bridge USA if you are interested in a J1 visa sponsorship and you want to make sure that the sponsor you are taking on is legit. Now, I must say this, I was going to say it in the beginning. You may not see all the program sponsors on this list. That does not mean that they are not going through a legit program sponsor. Some J1 sponsors, because it is recommended by the Department of State that some companies can partner with legit companies. For example, a company, ABC, and I'm just giving an example, ABC might be a company that is recruiting teachers, but they do not sponsor the visa, but they are working with a legitimate J1 sponsor to get their visas sponsored. So that's something you need to research as well. You might not find a program sponsor you're searching for on the website, but they might be under a company that is on the list and they are the ones who are sponsoring the J1 visa for them. So that's another step you'd have to take if they're not on Bridge USA's link. don't say if you don't see them on the list right there that they are not legit. You just need to do further checks, find out which approved J1 program they are working with to get their visas sponsored. If that's clear, go ahead and put clear in the comment section below. If not, let me know and I can expound more in another video. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bells on. If you know somebody who's interested in studying in the United States as a high school student, they can explore this opportunity that I just shared with you through the different J1 sponsored programs. Also, teachers, professors, specialists, you can find those on Bridge USA and see which one is beneficial for you. I did mention that I was going to share at the end. If you are interested in learning more about getting a teaching job in the United States, you need that one-on-one guidance, then supremacyconnect.com is the place for you. Supremacy Connect, where I can guide you towards getting a teaching job in the United States, helping you step by step and showing you what to do to land that teaching job in the United States. And it's not too late for 2024. So check out supremacyconnect.com, where you pay a small fee to get all the information that you need. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.